Hey, hello everyone. You all create journals to record your transactions and then you can see the ledgers too. You also know that ultimately the financials are prepared out of them. But do you know how the entire accounting cycle works? I am here to walk you through the entire accounting cycle in just 3 minutes. So let's begin. But before that, we should know what is an accounting cycle, the definition of accounting cycle. It is basically a collective process of identifying, analyzing, and recording the accounting events of a company. It is a standard 8-step process that begins when a transaction occurs and ends with its inclusion in the financial statements. The first step here is basically to identify the transactions. Here, let's take two examples. The first one is a normal sales made by the company for $550 million. Now, to make that sales, some salaries are also being paid to its employees for the month for $50 million. So we have identified the transactions. Now the next step will be to record the journals. We have created some sample journals out of those two transactions, and you can see they are there in front of the screen. Once you have created journals, the third step here will be to take them to the ledgers, post the journals to a ledger. So this is a sample ledger created out of those two journals. Once your journal is ready, you have the balances, you can start creating your trial balance. And then you can start analyzing it. If there is a need to book any adjustment entries, you can book them too. And finally, your trial balance will be ready, which you can review. And then ultimately, the main step will start, which is the preparation of financial statements. You can prepare your trading account, your profit and loss account, your balance sheet, and once you are done with all these steps, now you are ready to close your books, and ultimately you can hand over the financial statements to all the stakeholders like management, investors, governments, banks, etc. This is how the accounting cycle works for big corporates, and I hope you like the content, the video. If you need more such informative and interesting videos, do like and subscribe the channel. If you have any questions, do write them in the comment box and I'll be happy to answer you. Thank you.